Hi Angie, Paul Pukas here, Mosaic Insurance Alliance. I thought based on some of there are multiple different coverages and things going on with your proposal, I wanted to try and explain it a little bit better as you go through this instead of letting you just look through it on your own to find some of the things that we had discussed. So I created this video for you as we'll go through the proposal together, and we'll just start at the top. So the proposals with Liberty Mutual, as you can see, number one, small business insurance company here in Washington for Pilchuck Soccer Alliance. And you'll notice that we've got the effective date here of the 1st, but you can certainly change that if the board's not ready to get started, whatever the case is. Okay, the quote is valid for 30 days. I don't see anything changing here in the near future. Here's the different coverages we're going to go over. Commercial property, inland marine, and the business auto, which is for the trailer. Okay, so we'll scroll down here. There are our payment plan options. The most common one is this guy right here, the 12 equal monthly installments, which means that take the total premium, which we'll take a look at in the next screen, divide it by 12, and that's the amount that's automatically deducted or charged to your bank checking account every month. No fees. Okay, moving on. Here are the different premiums for the different coverages. The total premium with everything that we discussed. So the 2 buildings, the 2 mowers, the tractor, a bunch of gear, about $50,000 worth of gear and equipment, as well as the fence, all included in here at $93 a month. Okay, so there's the premium for the commercial property. There's the premium for the inland marine, excuse me, which is the tractors and that stuff that can move. And then here's the automobile coverage, which is the trailer. So the comprehensive and collision with a $500 deductible for the trailer for whoever chooses to move that trailer. Okay. Moving along, I will try and explain what blanket coverage means, and it's here at $50,000 for the personal property. Okay, so with building 1 and building 2, we have initially set the coverage at $25,000 for the property at those locations. What the blanket does is allows a different value than the $25,000 to be at one of those locations if something bad were to happen at that time. So, for example, if building 1 that has $25,000 of coverage listed here, which you'll see in a second, you guys actually moved a whole bunch of stuff over there for whatever reason, but it had $45,000 of equipment, and that's when the place was burglarized, burned down, whatever the case might be. The blanket coverage gives you the ability for that, the value of that property to move between each building. So it's better for you guys in case anything moves. Okay, that's what that is. Again, at the $500 deductible, $50,000 total coverage. Here you'll see the 2 different buildings listed. Building 1, we had talked about, set at $8,000. There's the $25,000 for that building for the personal property. Here's the fences, $30,000 for fences, $10,000 for building 2, $25,000 on the proposal for the personal property in building 2, but remember the blanket allows that number to adjust. Now we're going to go through a bunch of other just, hey, you get this included, like a Happy Meal comes with it. And let's keep going until we get down to the inland marine, which is the stuff that moves. So $5,000 for a tractor, $10,000 for mower 1, $10,000 for mower 2. One thing you'll notice is mower 2, the 2017 mower, is replacement cost. The other 2 items, because they are older than 5 years, are actual cash value. That is standard inland marine coverage, okay? Excuse me. We'll want to get some more information on those. Year, make, model would be great. Serial number would be fantastic to make sure we get that listed in there correctly. Okay, the deductibles on those are $1,000. Moving on, you can see here yes, this is automobile, but that's where the trailer goes. The 2000 cargo mate. It's listed here twice. It's just once for whatever reason on the proposal. $500 deductibles, and that allows anyone within the alliance to drive that. Okay. And now we just get into some other stuff that's required to be there on the proposals. And you'll see that when you get the proposal emailed to you as well. Again, I stand here, answer any questions. I hope this was helpful. I wanted to walk through it with you. I'll sign off. We're just a little under 6 minutes, so that's long enough. Thanks, Angie. Bye.